What are you doing?
Mine.
Okay, pedal.
Oh, wheel not working.
It works. Pop, fix it. Remember, you gotta push the pedals. You gotta push the pedal. You gotta push it.
Not how many?
You gotta push the pedal, honey. You gotta push it hard. Let's go. First time riding a bike. All by yourself, too.
Well, how many?
You can pedal.
Oh, how many?
Okay. Oh, you're on the grass.
Not drain.
Yeah, it is a drain. Gotta keep it this way.
No.
Keep going.
Mom, tell me.
Keep going.
No. No.
Come on, you gotta pedal. There you go. You gotta push down on the pedal. There you go. You're doing it. There you go. You gotta push down on that foot, on the pedal.
My bike not working.
It is working. You just gotta push. It takes practice. You're going. Are you pedaling or are you just riding downhill?
I'm going. I'm going.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Steer. And you're in the grass.
Wait, push.
There you go. You're gonna get back on?
Yes. I'm in just thunder.
It is thundering. All right, you gotta fix your wheel. Nope, you gotta turn it. Because you're backwards, look. Turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go.
Pedal. I'm doing it.
Well, you're going really fast. Woo, careful. Hey, you gotta pedal. Are you pedaling?
Yes.
Look at you go! This is your first time riding a bike. Look at you go. You gotta steer it too, remember?
Yeah. Ah, thunder.
Going awfully fast, little man. You gotta pay attention. You're gonna fall over because you're in the grass. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. I'm going home.